Welcome to the instructional video for CanFish CF1. The CanFish CF1 includes camera, repeater, winder, lens cover, dedicated portable bag, USB-C charging cable, dedicated data cable, quick release pin, O-ring, and datagram, etc. Before use, connect the repeater, winder, and camera in sequence, tighten the nuts, and secure the camera with a pin on one side. If you have an F1 probe, align the counterweight with the hole below the F1 probe, then connect it with a pin. And connect the F1 probe mounted with the counterweight to the winder and the repeater in turn. Before use, please scan the QR code on the screen or open your App Store on the mobile search Chasing Go-To and download the app. To ensure the image transmission is stable, we recommend you to apply wired connection. First, connect the CF1 repeater and the mobile phone with the dedicated data cable, and then turn on the CF1. After the indicator lights up, open the Chasing Go-To. Tap wired connection. The app will automatically connect to the CF1. If you want a more portable experience, you can also select wireless connection. First, turn on the CF1. Wait for the Wi-Fi indicator on CF1 to light up. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your mobile phone. Select the Wi-Fi starting with Chasing. The default password is 128 in sequence. After successful connection, open the Chasing Go-To. Tap wireless connection. The app will automatically connect to the CF1. If the video feed is unstable, you can also press the toggle button on the CF1 repeater to switch Wi-Fi frequencies and reduce interference. Tap Start to enter the camera view. The screen will display the camera footage. It shows the current depth, temperature, CF1 battery level, and more at the top. Before the first use, please tap on Settings Calibration, select Depth Calibration, then restart the CF1. Tap the Record button to start recording. You can also select whether to add a watermark to the video in Settings, General Settings. Click on the floodlight button to activate night viewing mode. Under wired connection mode, if you want to charge your phone at the same time, select the General Settings in Settings, and enable the power bank function to charge your phone. If you want to use TikTok and other screen recording streaming apps, first, power on the CF1 and connect. Then in TikTok's live streaming interface, select Handheld Game Live Streaming, Other Non-Game Live Streaming. Enter the name, tap Start Streaming, and switch to the Chasing Go-To app to begin streaming. You can also go to Settings, Start Live Streaming, and choose to enable the front or rear camera to showcase more content. You can also position your phone vertically to use split screen mode while streaming. If you want to use up streaming, first copy the stream code and key in the streaming app. Then in Chasing Go-To Settings, go to Settings, Start Live Streaming. Paste in the stream URL and key. Select whether to enable audio recording or camera. Tap Start Streaming. Choose Chasing Go-To.live. Tap to enable and start streaming. You can view the recorded video in App Device Album, or choose to download videos to your phone, or delete them. Video are also saved to the SD card in the video folder. You can charge the CF1 using the Type-C cable. The green indicator will light up while charging, and turn off when fully charged. That concludes the CanFish CF1 instructional video. Enjoy and have fun!